Welcome to Garage Money Pit. I wanted to put together a very quick video before I even introduce the car. I mentioned in my last video I do have a Mazda MX-5 ND that I wasn't sure if I wanted to put it on channel or not. So before we even get to the car, I have the first modifications here, first big mods, because as you can tell they're pretty big boxes. Just judging by the size of the box, you can probably guess what it is. Okay, so there's obviously another one in here. What we have here is a pair of Fiat 124 Abarth Recaro seats, which happen to be identical and allegedly a drop-in replacement for the Recaros that you find in an ND club. And my car, despite being an ND club, has the base model seats. I'll spare myself the embarrassment in having you watch me unpack the other box, and I'll be back when I've got both out. So here they are in their unpacked glory, a set of Mazda/Fiat Recaro seats. So why did I get those? Well, as I mentioned, my car, and you'll see it in all its glory soon, has the base model seats. So for sporty driving, these are supposed to be a lot better. They have much stronger bolstering here. I also think they look nicer, and you're supposed to sit a little bit lower. One of the reasons I don't get along well with MX-5s as much as I like them is I'm a bit too tall for them. So hopefully this seat, potentially with some drop rails, will help. So the next video you'll see about this car is going to be the actual big unveiling, and then we'll put the seats in and I'll report back and I'll show you if I'm actually sitting lower or not.